So when the field adjuster comes to your home, there are things you should be looking for. And they're going to give things away with their body movement, with what they're doing, their actions, because we're going to be talking about 2 red flags that you need to look for when the field adjusters come to your home to know if your claim is in trouble. So my name is Mike Keeler. I'm a licensed public adjuster in the state of Florida. I'm here to guide people, educate people, give people some tips on how you handle your homeowner's insurance claims, whether it be water damage, roof damage, fire claims. I have over 200 videos on my channel. So you filed the claim, called the insurance company. A couple days later, this so-called independent guy, the field adjuster who works for the insurance company, hired by the insurance company, calls you to set an appointment to come in and do an inspection. His job is to report back to the insurance company his findings. Sounds pretty innocent enough, right? But let's take a look here. Red flag number 1, pay close attention to this critter. All right, at the inspection, what is he doing? Is he taking notes? Is he taking measurements? If you're not seeing these 2 things being done, your spidey senses should be going up. The questions being asked. If you have a water damage claim, and he's asking a question, when did you first notice it? How long ago? Innocent enough? These questions are going to be a framework of possibly denying your claim. That's why it's always important to have somebody represent you. Okay, photographs. How many is he taking? This may not seem like a big deal, but ask, how many did he take? You may even want to take photographs of him taking photographs. Why? This makes no sense. Why should I take a photograph when he's taking photographs? Because a lot of times these claims end up in lawsuits, the majority now. And the field adjuster will lie saying he didn't take photographs of a certain area, of a certain room. So if you take photographs of him taking photographs in a specific room, he can't lie, because these guys do nothing but lie. So their body language, if they're not taking notes, red flag. If he's not taking measurements of everything that's damaged from the walls, red flag. If they're not taking a lot of photos, red flag. If they won't let you know how many photos they took, you should ask them, how many photos have you taken? Put your phone on, record it. How many photos did you take today? Okay? Because a lot of times what happens is, in a lawsuit, you may not know this, but they do not have to turn those photos over to us. In other words, to the attorney that represents the homeowner in the lawsuit. Okay? The photographs that they will turn over, and they'll say, well, we only have 20. And they may have taken 80, but they don't want you to see, and they don't want the jury to see. So they can actually hide photographs, yes, and it's legal. Let's talk about number 2, the estimate. Now this is what you will find to be, even though it's a number 2 red flag, it is the most important and number 1 red flag, because you will know immediately that your claim is being denied. This tells the whole story on your claim. Okay? If there is no estimate, the claim will be denied. Are they using the computer to do the estimate? They should be. If they have a handheld iPad, sometimes you can do it on your phone. Are they inputting numbers and measurements? If you don't see any of this being done, we're going to talk about this in the next slide a little bit more, but this tells the entire story of your claim. So the number 2 red flag about the estimate. Now, know this. The program that is used industry-wide, every public adjuster, every insurance company uses what's called Xactimate. Okay? Every adjuster. This is the estimate or the program. Before they leave your house, ask them, did you do an estimate? Did you use Xactimate? And they'll probably freak out a little bit that you know what it is. Let me see the Xactimate estimate that you did. Now, even if it's not completed, if he did some of it, take a photograph of his screen. Most guys do it on their iPad. They'll have an iPad. If they're taking measurements, supposedly, and they're not doing it right there on the spot, it's a red flag. Like I said, if there's no estimate, the claim is being denied. Now, there are some that will do the measurements and do the Xactimate estimate when they get back to their office or hotel room or whatever. That's dangerous because they're just making shit up. They're making measurements up. They're trying to manipulate the estimate to make it as low as possible. So, and I want you to record it. If you're leaving the house, if he's leaving the house, and you ask them before he leaves, are you done? Did you do an estimate? Can I take a look at it? And you take your phone and you take a picture of it. Okay? If he says, no, I haven't done it yet, I'm going to wait till later, try and get a recording of that. All right? Again, these people are constant liars and manipulators. They are protecting the insurance company. So, this is how you know that your claim is more than likely going to get denied. Because they've been instructed. This whole fake facade of come on out, do the inspection, and it was all facade. They're playing you, the homeowner. They had no intentions of doing an estimate. They had every intention of denying your claim right from the start. And it's even more obvious when the field adjuster doesn't do an estimate because the insurance company told him, don't do an estimate. We're not going to cover this claim. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. Once again, my name is Mike Keeler, licensed public adjuster in the state of Florida. If you have any questions, need help with a claim, feel free to give me a call here or email me, text me. Here's my information. Thank you.